In Jujuka Swift's last video titled, C Program that Emphasizes the Educational Value of Learning About Numeric Variables, a C keyword int was used to create a numeric variable and reserve memory for it. In this video, the program reads a string the user types at the keyboard. That string is converted into an integer. Then that value is displayed using the printf function. The program starts with header files. The standard input-output library provides functions like printf and fgets. Standard library provides functions like atoi, ASCII to integer conversion. Next, we see the main function. This is the entry point of the program. Execution starts here. It returns an integer, typically 0, to indicate successful execution. Then we have variable declarations. First, the program declares an integer variable to store the user's age. After that, it declares a character array string to store the user's input. It can hold up to 7 characters plus the null terminator. Now the program prints a message asking the user for their age, and this line reads the input. fgets reads a line of input and stores it in the years array. Size of years ensures that no more than 8 characters are read. And stdin is the standard input stream, usually the keyboard. The string entered by the user needs to be converted to an integer. atoi converts the string stored in years to an integer and stores it in age. Finally, the program prints the converted age using %i, which is an integer format specifier. And here is what the program looks like when you run it.